Hi everyone, my name is Simon Mishevich and I'm going to be talking about the dual status taxes when moving to the United States. And this is really important if you're moving from the United Kingdom to the United States. In fact, it's really important if you move from any other country to the US, let's be fair. So let's get into the details. If you're looking for any US tax calculators, feel free to go over to our website and use the QR code that's now appearing on the screen and go to the URL in the description box below. All right, so when you need to file, this is US taxes to the IRS. What do you need to do? Well, typically you would have to file taxes to the United States or the IRS, the Internal Revenue Service, when you've been in the United States for more than 183 days. Now that 183 days, please do note that it's not just 183 days based on this year. You have to look back from the previous 2 years as well. Do some sort of convoluted process calculation, which we've got on our website, by the way, to help you with that. So it's not just 1 year, you have to look back for 3 years collective. You have to file taxes when you get your green card. You may not be even in the United States, but as soon as you get green card, you will be deemed to be, I don't want to use the term US citizen, but you're pretty much close to that as possible. So your green card is a visa that says you are an American for intents purposes, especially for tax reasons. And that means that you could be filing taxes from the moment you get your green card, even if you are not in the United States. And non-US residents, we could have a situation whereby you have businesses in the United States and you still have to file taxes if you have reportable taxable income. Make sure that you get some good UK US tax advice from me using that QR code, and the link will be in the description box as well. Okay, so when do you need to file? Well, you may need to file a 1040 tax return, a 1040 tax return or a 1040 NR. NR stands for non-resident. So a 1040 is when you're resident in the United States or you are a green card holder. A 1040 NR is if you are non-resident, not in the United States. So you might need to file one, if not both, tax returns in the same year. So the latter being filed as a non-US tax resident for the time in the tax year. And we'll talk about what that really means in a second. Okay, so let's go through an example to properly justify what I'm talking about here. Oh, by the way, if you are looking to move currency from one place to another, make sure that you use the best currency conversion rates possible using that QR code. Also, the link will be in the description box as well. So here we're talking about someone that's moved to the United States on a green card since October. So what that means is that they have to file a 1040 US tax return based on their worldwide income, and they would do that for October to December because they are a green card holder and American for intents purposes, for tax purposes. Therefore, they need to declare their worldwide income for October, November, December, which is 3 months. And that's because they get the green card on October. But what about the time before? Well, they may need to do a 1040 NR if they have US taxable income. They may not need to do that. They may just say, well, the 1040 NR is blank, zero. There's nothing on it. So from January to September, I wasn't in the United States. But if you've got real estate property, residential real estate property, commercial real estate property, you may have to still file your 1040 NR for that taxable income. But if you are a green card holder or you're moving to the United States and you had no income from the US from January to September, then that 1040 NR will be blank, be zero, nothing on it. So you would just have a 1040 based on your October to December and pay taxes to the IRS based on the worldwide income of those 3 months only.